a kitchen bright where the sunbeams play, a dad and his kids start a baking day. With a hop and a skip and a giggle so sweet, they're ready to make a delicious treat. They pull on the dough with a mighty tug, then give the flour a playful shrug. It sprinkles down like a snowy